To knit this very easy Ruana, I'm working with CARON Chunky Cakes and 12mm knitting needles. You're going to cast on the number of stitches in the following chart, and then you're going to work in ribbing for 4 rows. And then after that is just knit every row. And just for contrast, I interspersed some brown yarn in between my CARON Chunky Cakes. So if you don't want to buy another whole ball, you could just use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn, and that would be equivalent. So I just interspersed it every once in a while, just to add a little bit of a break between my colors. So start with the number of stitches that you need for the size that you are going to make. Cast on that number of stitches. Okay, after you have your number of stitches cast on, you're going to knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2. And you do that all the way across the row. Okay, after you have worked 4 rows of ribbing, that will be this part here, the bottom. Then I started working with my chunky cake. And first row, I'm just going to knit across the row. And now I'm going to knit across the next row, but I'm just going to slide that first stitch on to keep a nice even edge. Then knit across the row. And for the remainder of the pattern, that's all that you will do. You'll slide the first stitch off without working into it, and then knit across the row. Do that for every row until you have your pieces worked to the size that you need.